Can you get both? Do you have both? You have your elephant and your Jingle Cube? I know how much you love those. Oh. Oh. Excuse me, everybody. There. Can you catch it? Can you catch it? I know. One of Rachel's favorite games. You got it. Look at you. You're getting so clever. Mama didn't even check if your nose was running before I started filming, so that's nice. Yeah? Yeah? No, it's the most exciting game, isn't it? Again. I know. Can you laugh with Mommy? You're such a laughy girl. There. You got it again. Exactly. Again. There. You got it. Aren't you clever? Boy, I hope I haven't shifted you right off the screen. I hope not. Look at that. Oh. What a fantastic elephant. Yeah. Which one do you want more? This is the one you can hold on to, I know. That's right. Can you tell everybody you're sleeping through the night? Yeah? Yeah? Which means Mommy and Daddy are sleeping through the night? Pretty soon you're going to sleep in your crib with Sister. Yeah. Life is very good, isn't it? Very good. Okay, you ready to say goodbye to everybody? Say bye-bye. We love you. We love you. Bye-bye.